In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be wanting to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode and obviously just not have it ring, and all you want it to have to do is vibrate. So this is what you are going to have to do. First thing that you want to do is you want to go over to your settings application. From here, you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, which is right under notifications. Once you click sounds and haptics, right now I'm going to be in silent mode, and under ringtone and alerts, you're going to see haptics, and haptics is basically what your vibration is. So all you want to do is click haptics, and right now it's at always play. It says haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert, but I can have it specifically only to play in silent mode. And now it says haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert when in silent mode. So that means my phone won't be ringing, but it will always vibrate. So I always have it in always play. So that means whether I'm on silent mode or I'm not in silent mode, my iPhone will always vibrate, which is exactly what I want. You know, you can change whatever you want to as well. And if you ever want to, change to silent mode or not have it in silent mode, you can switch that over here as well. Let's say if your physical button on the top left of your iPhone is not working.